The Middle East is once again on fire, and let me tell you, this time the spotlight is split. Split between Yemen's Houthis, Israel, and Donald Trump. So let's unpack what's really happening here. On September 7th, a Yemeni drone managed to split past Israeli defenses and strike their Ramon Airport in southern Israel. Civilians were injured, and Israel's air defense systems, usually praised for being nearly undefeatable, they were caught off guard. The attack was claimed by Iran-backed Houthis, and the same militia that has been targeting Red Sea shipping even for months. The Houthis are now openly vowing relentless strikes until Israel pays in blood. You know why so much rage? Well, their threat came just days after an Israeli strike reportedly killed Ahmad Rahawi, Yemen's prime minister. Now, for the Houthis, this is personal. But for Israel, it's yet another front in an already very complex war. But let me tell you, here comes the political twist. United States President Mr. Donald Trump is trying to carve out his own role as a deal maker. He is reportedly pushing Hamas to accept a ceasefire in Gaza. According to resources, Trump told Hamas that this was his last warning. He demanded the release of all the 48 hostages that are still in captivity. So far, Hamas hasn't given, and Israel is keeping quiet publicly. But you know what? Behind closed doors, reports say that Israel is actually weighing Trump's proposal. Can you think about the bigger picture here? On one side, we have Israel battling Hamas in Gaza. On the other side, it is facing Hezbollah in Lebanon, and now Houthis in Yemen. They are just adding more pressure with drones and missiles. Three fronts, all backed by Iran. So the question is, can Israel handle this kind of multi-directional war? And what about Trump? Well, he's in the US. He's trying to influence the Middle East diplomacy. So basically, if he succeeds in brokering a hostage deal or ceasefire, he can prove that whatever promises he made during the campaigning, well, he fulfilled each one of them. You know what? The danger isn't just for Israel or Palestine. The Houthis have already disrupted global shipping lanes in the Red Sea, threatening the flow of oil and trade. Now, with the drones hitting airports inside Israel, the war could spill further, pulling in more countries and dragging the US deeper into this particular conflict. So here's the bottom line, ladies and gentlemen. The Houthis have declared that they won't stop. Israel is juggling multiple enemies, and Mr. Trump is trying to play peacemaker. Now, will this lead to peace, or is the Middle East inching closer to the wider showdown? Only time will tell.